Hi, I'm Elien. I'm from the Netherlands and I'm part of the music and dance project. For 3 weeks I've been teaching dance at Hyde Primary School, but I felt like I wanted to do something else, something of my own. So I came here at the building site in the informal community to teach the kids here to dance. Hi, I'm back. In the beginning I was a little bit unsure of what to expect because I was really given really small kids, but now I'm really excited because I seem to get a lot out of them and I'm really looking forward to the finale. Okay, so this was the finale. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you to Nash and to Sound of the World and Project Abroad for making this happen.